Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to increase Cash App limit from $2,500 to $7,500. So first of all, you need to open up Cash App on your device. To increase these limits, what you need to do is to type in $300 or any amount above $250, and then tap on this Pay button right over here. Once you tap on the Pay button, you will be prompted to verify your identity with your full name, date of birth, and SSN. Also, you should be above the age of 18 years to get verified. Once you're verified, you'll be able to send and receive money beyond the said limits. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.